Hi friends, today I'd like to talk a little bit about the two wings of a bird. Hi, ಇದು Bhatt and Shankar YouTube channel. Friends, you see, in order to fly, the two wings of a bird must equally be strong and must function uniformly. Otherwise, what happens if one flips, if the other wing doesn't cooperate, then the bird can't fly. So, why I said this is in order to relate to our own day to day life, in a family, the minimum concept or a micro, you know, family, that is husband and wife and the kids. And it's a symbol of microcosmo, you can say that. The minimum unit of this universe, the husband and wife and the kids. So husband and wife, I'm going to refer here as the two wings of a bird. See, from eternity, the equality of men and women off and on being practiced, and in the Indic philosophy, if you want to do it from the Adi Yogi and Shiva Parvati and the subsequent avatars and their wives and the society at large were enjoying to a certain extent this concept of equality. They had mutual respect and mutual understanding and mutual responsibility as well. But as the days goes by, in a very competitive society, we found it bit imbalanced. Man having with a little bit of muscle power as well as influence in the society, did he act as a dominant power to rule his wife and the kids, or from where this inequality has come up in life? So the solution is to empower the other partner, that is usually the wife, and through the consultative process we can solve any problem if we have, or to take her into confidence so that any problem in the family could be resolved, so that that family will aspire to be a transformed life. So friends, it is very important to respect our partners and take them into confidence, to involve them in the day-to-day affairs of the family. And if such families are grown in number in a society, and that society will prosper economically, materially, and above all, enjoy spiritually. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe this video. Thank you.